Mabuhay! I'm Suneric May S. Labanon, a proud student from Colegio de San Gabriel Arcangel, taking up Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management via CM21. And for today's vlog, I'll be one of your student tour guide as we explore some of the exciting spots here at our very own hotel campus. So grab your bags and let's go on a mini adventure.
Hello, hello, hello! You're one of the most lovely and bubbly tour guider. I am Eunice Avilla. You can call me Uni. And today I will tour you in our school, Colegio de San Gabriel Arcangel Hotel Campus. But before I proceed, don't forget the SSS reminder, safety, security, and smooth tour. But I also brought here my medicine kit or cure kit. So if anything happens, you can call me and I will assist you. Now let's proceed to our first destination, the AVR room. Our first stop is the audio-visual room, also known as the AVR. This is where we usually hold seminars, film viewings, and class presentations. It's like our own small theater, cozy, air-conditioned, and have a great place to learn in a fun way. This place helped us build confidence and communication skills for our future tourism students.
Avisala Gabrielians, it's me again, one of your tour guides, Sun Eric May. Next up, we're here at the front desk area. This is one of my favorite parts of the hotel campus because it gives us hands-on experience in real hotel operations. From checking in guests to assisting them with their needs, it's where we truly feel the heart of hospitality. Good morning, sir. Welcome to CDSJ Hotel. Sounds professional already, right?
I am also one of the student tour guide, Crystal Andrea Canonoy. It's me, your food buddy. Now let's move to our last destination, the ground floor canteen. This is definitely a favorite spot for every Gabrielians, from breakfast to quick snacks. The food here keeps us energized throughout the day. But beyond eating, this is also where we bond, laugh, and create fun memories with our classmates.
And that wraps up our short tour around the hotel campus here at Colegio de San Gabriel Arcangel.
We hope you enjoyed this little journey with us and got to see how our school brings tourism and hospitality life in every corner.
Once again, I am Crystal Andrea Canonoy.
And I am Eunice Avilla.
And I am Son Eric May S. Labanon.
In tourism, every place tells a story, and every story begins with you. Thank you for joining us today. See you on the next tour. Bye!